What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to do a highballed fade with this rocket ship design, so let's just get straight into it. First I'm going in with my 6 guard just to knock out some bulk. Now I'm going in with my liners to create my bald line, and then I'm going to just bald it out with my balders. I'm first starting out with my 1 guard with the lever open, and then I'm going to slowly close the lever. Later I'm going to make the blend a lot better, but for now this is what I'm going to do. Next I'm going in with my 1.5 guard to blend the top to the rest of the fade. Now going back to the 1 just to help with the transition a bit. Now to actually start fading. I'm going to start with no guard, lever open, and give myself a guideline. Then I'm going to go in, lever halfway closed, and then all the way closed. You'll see that I kind of just move around the lever and start playing with it. And then I also was only going to do this first section, but I decided to extend it further, so I went further back into the head. Now to get rid of that line, I'm going to go in with my half guard, lever open. Again, slowly start closing it and just play with the lever. It's kind of hard to tell with the angle the camera's at, but I go in with the corners of the teeth just to diffuse that line, and then you'll see I'm going to go back with the 1 guard and do the same exact thing using the corners. Now I'm just detail cutting, so I'm going between all my guards that I previously used, and I'm going to go ahead and just get out any little lines that I see. Now let's get into the design. So today I'm using my Babyliss Pro Gold FX liners. Usually I use my Andis Slimline Pros because they're a lot smaller and easier for me to maneuver doing designs. But with the way his hair grows and everything, how straight it is, I decided to use the Gold FX liners just because, you know, the skeleton outline that they have to them, it allowed me to kind of maneuver around his straight hair, and so it hit a lot better. Typically, I would use my Andis Slimline Pros, and then I would go back in with my hitters, which are my FX liners, and then I would go in with the straight razor. But for the purpose of his hair today, I just did the whole thing with the FX liners and then went in with the straight razor later. Right here, I decided to change my mind with the design, and I did a burst taper in the front. After doing some detail cutting, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the back of the fade. Topping off the fade with the straight razor, and that's the final look. I hope you liked my first tutorial. If you did like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow me on my socials linked below.